Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to recover deleted messages. You can request an archive of your account data directly through the Instagram app. So navigate to your profile, hit the three lines in the top right corner, right? Go ahead to the account center or meta, find your informations in permissions, right? And we're going to just hit export or download your information. Can open a new window. Right, gonna wait for a few moments here. Once I'm inside, I can choose the information like from the date range. So I'm gonna hit create export, select your account if you have more than one account. You can export to device or external device, let's say device. All right, wait for a few moments here. Sorry it's taken so long. Okay. And you can choose your information based on the date range. Let's say last month. And the format should be HTML. Oh, sorry, here, HTML. And the media quality, if you want it to be a higher quality, you could just change it. Media quality means that it can like balance the clarity and the speed. And you can hit here, start export, and wait for Meta to approve your request. Consider liking this video, subscribe, it really helps with the channel. Until next time, see you.